thanks for not giving me that ticket.
Oh, no problem. I seen your lab was down. I seen you was just in emergency. So, you know, in a case of emergency, it's all right. I'd have given you an escort if anything. So, but the hospital right there, so it's all right.
Yeah, well, I'm also like 90% sure that my car will outpace yours any day of the week.
Probably not.
You want to run it? We should run
Yeah,
it.
you want to run it?
No,
We can run it.
no. Once again, it's
You
all
sure?
about the driver, not the car, and I'm too old for all that, mate. Can't drive.
Shit, I'll put 5K down on it.
Oh, it's all loose, okay. I'll see old for it, mate. Can't drive like I used to. Everything passes by too fast.
Alright, well, you enjoy your shift. Hopefully you catch somebody who isn't me.
I won't really do much. If lads get out on foot, try to take off running, I don't run anymore. I don't do much anymore. I'm just a traffic enforcement.
Well,
fair enough.
If anyone destroys your car and you need a repair, come visit us. We'll take care of you.
We got you
Oh,
good.
you lads from Benny's, yeah, you guys always treat us right down there.
Yeah. Benny's is the best.
Benny's
Alright,
is
well, you have a good night,
most
Oscar.
definitely the best. You too, lads. Try to stay up, don't get knocked down. Look at this lad, look at this, look at this, look at this lad, look at this, look
That guy needs to be pulled over for that car just being terrible.
What did we do? Hello, officer.
Hello.
Right? You can't
Yeah.
turn back there pretty short.
Yeah, gotta get my
it's
tires
not-
changed. I think they're a little, slick.
Oh, alright, just make sure you're alright. You haven't been drinking?
No.
Alright.
I'm just in need of emergency services.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Yeah,
I'll
I
get y'all
got
out of
I
here
got
if
hit.
you say.
Yeah, I got hit by a car.
Oh, that explains why you're driving like that. Alright, no problem. You get out of here, go up there to
Alright.
the hospital, get safely taken care of, get your car repaired, your windows
Thank
is all
you.
broken out. Yeah, no problem.
Stay
Yeah, it looks
safe.
worse in my eyes,
You
trust.
too.